My darling people, una good afternoon, una good evening. This Olivie matter, I see am. I know say many of una don't so see am. Yes. Olivie, wey then deport for Germany, wey be say he go Nigeria the other day. The matter they aside. I don't watch some video for inside. Make I not lie, my darling people. But the truth of the matter be say, my own personal opinion will be Rita. Now I want to share for this video. As a presenter, if anybody dey or people they will support Olivie financially, the time we dey Nigeria, now one of them, now I be. Not be even only me, even my fans. They carry money come out, they take support am with dey Nigeria. But of recent, I see and say Olivie dey route. The one where they call Libya route. Yes. What's here where I want to talk for this matter? Because say this matter don't be public matter. It don't be outside matter. Everybody don't see am. Olivie itself no hide am. The reason why you don't hide am, believe say now because say you also want make people support you. Now presenter you be, you want to show your life, to show your things, make people see am. Definitely you know now. People go talk. But my own be say, Olivie, as you can comment so, the responsibility of your children and your wife, who you can't live on for. That one, it is very, very important. I hope say your wife go also they do something for Nigeria. As you comment so, you self go still support 100% make those children take their way for that Nigeria. But my brother, wait. Yeah, I have on my legbo. I have here boy legbo. They say na egbo na you for pass before. Now you take enter this abroad before we can Larry. I'm happy that you are a person who want to do something. To say I want to do this thing, I want to do one. But Olivie, a do ya kbitan or where venemiji e yo heke na ata. Johnny we wa live streaming dey egbo na. How market we show na dey you are. Reason anyway, this one they okay. To the extent, man Libya, the family yan we no even know as them so no regbe ni anji. We no even know say we then travel all this way. Now your video, all of them for come they say and say, go see my sister, go see my brother. So now that Libya ide, oh now this one ide. We me say most of them don't even know whether na presenter you be. Because some they don't even know whether you don't go viral rich like that. Because they always say you they shoot video. As then themselves they shoot them. They don't know whether they go everywhere, number one. Number two, Olivie, Italy where you they go. Before you reach Italy, you don't know say your enemy fit carry your video go give police to say this one the deport am for Gérmañy, see evidence of recent. If they come back again for here. E don't tell with aso one you dey care aso wa. Say aso I don't know as they make that parable. Me I don't understand this Libya journey where you dey live stream they come so and you never even reach how they call am for that side. You never even reach place where they call Saba. I don't know whether na Saba or na they call am. Be na wetin na they call am. Now desert now you still dey. Now you just the video they console. Now washa some of our people, you get the reason why it be say, no matter if person want talk and they always the tire person. Person go say, how you want even to start to talk no matter. Olivie, you get power like this, now you did this country, you no work. A thing waru way you know, say the truth of the matter be say if person then tell una truth, una go the verse say why they tell me this kind of thing. Well, why me thing venia we man wina. Me ma get thing way venia. If power day, now this Gérmañy now you for exercise that power. You say that time now so they don't allow you to work or all those things. But people we all of una gather come, all of them come they work. What's here they not telling it now? Hey Johnny now, if you dey Nigeria with your wife, all of una gather sit down, they do one or two things. I know say person way they abroad, he want tell the Nigeria say, come, not come Europe, a crime no so not day. It be like say you commit crime because they go tell you say instead when you go say me you dey Nigeria not come Europe, may you come abroad. Olivie, you sometimes sit down, may you look your age. You sometimes sit down, may you look your ability. You sometimes sit down, may you look waiting you go fit do. Because when the may go where my brother, or sabano go where we go from me. Where man no setting winner. And the health issue where you first so get before. Not be the one where they come the mugbeya na ya ye gbeya sielele e gbe stress na. You get one head tissue where you yourself use your mouth talk for social media. Where it be say, no be this kind of stress. You will come pass about, pass egbo, pass onuna, pass edian. Okay, no la. At all, we be tissue or we na. 4 months now you spend for Nigeria, Olivie. They don't fit deport me. Before me come abroad again, I fly, I take come off for Lagos. Now 3 years, now I stay for Nigeria. Settle down. Take arrange myself, organize myself. But now we think we get udeme down. Or salobano egu emi ukudeme down with. But what is this? 4 months now you don't stay for Nigeria. You never stay past 4 months. You don't display all these kind of things for social media. They carry people even with their family. Where you heard from their family for many years with their family. No. Now I saw your video. All of them come. They say, go see that girl where walk follow me for tailoring store. Go see that boy where they my mechanic shop. Now I saw Libya na in day. We're struggling that money, huh? So because many of them where they don't even know what did happen. Olivie, a laughy now. But Gimari afeko na person we be saying some of our people no matter the tire person. He not good, my brother. I not sure say good. E do ya put an wo modu hun for the first time dey gbo. We gbe mu yin for the second time dey gbo to. We dey gbe mu yin for the third time dey. We ma kin yege mi oro du kun no tama we we him to. It's good for somebody to say I want to make myself, I want to plan, but settle down for Nigeria. May you first take calm down. May you first take plan. May you first take relax. When you come and what in Nigeria, Baba na why you beg on that 4 months, on that 3 months, where what say more, what so whole, everybody, you don't leave all your family, you don't run entire egbo. Even to say na people even get hand for your deportation because work bama we agbe. Now family they get problem with people, not be people where they outside. If to say you get anybody for your family now, where if do you, the person now go just carry the video, you don't know say where you hide. If to say na person wait too often and gather quarrel for Germany for year. Now the same person now. If you just carry your video, you carry go anywhere or you back away with there. I see every move feel see ye gbon ani san. I see every time agbon where you can allergia. You might understand. Because I know say you they use until they find pity party, make people pity you, make people. The truth of the matter be say some people like you. They don't want to offend you, but they don't go tell you the truth. You go say, you see this one, no, just talk, I'll just offer keep quiet. Because the way it be so. But this one, it told my way. To me, we be Queen Rita. Oh my God, down well with me, my brother. Yes, oh my God, down well with me. Even when your lawyer case and everything come for this social media, I tell you the truth. Your lawyer say this matter go out. These other people say this matter go out. So what is this one? Is it not to cool down? Now only 4 months. Now you just did Nigeria. 4 months. Not be to cool down. Maybe say you do the right thing. Small with your family. Honestly, I may not like education. Any small thing, we always talk about education. Because education is always the key in this life. And not be saying I even tell you. If to say na person wey be say education gele raw, we no keke nonje. Na to sit down, small. How to prepare paper. Where you want to fly, enter, even though say na Canada, America, the way where you take like even for your condition where you say they worry, you say if code day for Germany, you don't go fit do anything, you don't fit work. You suppose not even go pick place where they call America, go all this place. Low key, you and your wife now just offer to do a visa verboni. Why you call like a Spain? You not go enter Spain. Then as everybody see help for social media that they then donate all the millions where you enter your hand. Or send a pay your one. I hear information say you still get something for Benin. Or send a mwek be area do. We call settle down before you know it, you do your things. Which one can be all this asilegbelegbo day or all these things? Even to say you even they do and just now say now a few people know for science, not be the one where you come broadcast. Still go see good. This one way just the people why. I don't know as people see now. Now my own now talk so. As a Rita way be say the time where the something see happen, I still get body to still see something. Wait, be say not go down way with me. I'll say this thing why it be like this. Venue wa jena.